How to delete Facebook Business Manager account. First things first is to pull up your preferred web browser. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome. So let's head to it. So once you pull up your web browser, just go ahead to business.facebook.com. And then you'll have to log in to your Business Manager account from Facebook. And once you log in, this will be your interface. And once you click this drop down right here, you'll have to choose on what specific Facebook page, business manager page that you want to delete. For example, this one, just click on it and it will automatically be routed like this. To delete this uh, business manager, just go ahead and click on the drop down again and click on the gear icon right here, which is the settings. From here, go to business manager and click go to business manager settings. You will be redirected to a different page, which is the business settings. All you have to do from here is you just go ahead and click this three dots right here and click remove. Now, once you have click removed, to verify it and to confirm deleting this page, you'll just have to re-click this the blue button right here. So it will be deleted 24 hours from now, and you will still have an option to stop this process. So that's how you delete Facebook Business Manager.